In the busy market, something small fell to the ground. But no one noticed. Aisha looked down and found a tiny, shiny secret. The coin felt heavy in her hand. It made her heart feel heavy too. The shiny coin asked her a question. What is the right thing to do? Being honest isn't always easy, but it is always the right way. With every step back to the shop, Aisha felt braver. A simple act of honesty is a language everyone understands. That day, Aisha didn't just give back a rupee, she learned that telling the truth is worth more than money, a small coin. But a big lesson.